In this video, I will show you how to change your Tonkeeper password. So first, if you know what your current password is, but you want to change it, then just sign in to your Tonkeeper wallet and in the top right click settings. Then from there you want to go and scroll down a little bit. Then from there you want to go and click on security. And here you can click change passcode. For this, you will need to know what your current password is, but in a second I'll show you what you can do if you don't know. So I have now changed my passcode, but if you don't know what your current passcode is, then what you need to do is import a new wallet. So you want to go and select existing wallet from here. And then you need to enter the either 24 or 12 words of your Tonkeeper wallet that you got as a backup, so that you could always save your wallet if you lose your passcode or just lose access to the account. So if you backed it up, then you will be able to enter this right here, and then from there click continue and then import the wallet onto Tonkeeper. Now, if, for example, the entire Tonkeeper app doesn't work for you, you can also do it in Phantom Wallet or another wallet. So that's how to change your Tonkeeper password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.